Thembi Lorch's unexpected departure from Orlando Pirates to Mamelodi Sundowns was not achieved on good terms, a decision that has since left the club bosses, including chairman Irvin Khoza, fuming. Lorch is said to have been unhappy during his last days at Pirates, despite the efforts made by Khoza to ensure that he keeps the poster boy at the club longer by tying him down to a new contract. According to Sunday World, there has been some bad blood between the midfielder and the Pirates hierarchy in recent months. This is because Lorch was refusing to renew his contract with the Buccaneers. It also emerged that Lorch had a long-standing agreement on principle with Sundowns coach Rulani Mokwena some time ago that he would not renew his contract with the Buccaneers. It also emerged that Lorch had a long-standing agreement on principle with the Sundowns coach Rulani Mokwena some time ago that he would not renew his contract with the Pirates and expressed his desire to reunite with him at Kluokop. Mokwena is said to be an admirer of Lorch, whom he coached during his brief coaching stint with the Sea Robbers. Lorch was on his last 6 months of his contract at Pirates and would have been eligible to sign a pre-contract with a club of his choice, a move that the defending champions and PSL big spenders Sundowns would have pounced on. Sensing losing Lorch for free, Pirates were left with no choice but to negotiate a deal for his immediate release on the last day of the January transfer window period on Friday night. Lorch is believed to have wanted a bigger paycheck and a demand that was delayed by the club until last minute when Sundowns came knocking and made the call to acquire the player's services. The insider in the Pirates told the Sunday World that Lorch had two options: to sign for Sundowns or maybe go with Pitso Mosimane to Middle East. Even previously, he was keen to join Mosimane at one of his previous clubs. He has always shown a huge interest in going to play abroad. He was not willing to renew, and things were now difficult for him at Pirates. Another informer who is close to Thembi said everything happened so fast. The two clubs agreed on a fee, and Lorch was told that a deal was done with Sundowns. He had been unhappy for some time at Pirates, and you could see his body language even on the field. His eyes were now on Sundowns, and more than anything, it was just a business decision. He got a massive offer and took it. Thembi Lorch is turning 31 years old this year and has to take care of his future and his family. He will also get a nice signing on fee, and it was too good to refuse. Pirates media officer Thandi Morefe said the narrative is completely false. The club has always been behind Thembi Lorch. Lorch follows in the footsteps of the late Gift Leremi, Lebohang Mokwena, Teko Modise, and Opa Mangisa, who also jumped ship directly from Pirates to Sundowns. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.